Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best travel containers is probably one of the most essential items for any traveler who wants to keep their favorite shampoos, conditioners, and other toiletries organized and accessible without the hassle of carrying full-sized bottles, ensuring a leak-free and convenient experience whether you're on a short business trip or a long vacation, making packing a breeze and saving precious space in your luggage. Number 5. Gemice Travel Bottles for Toiletries. Tired of messy leaks in your luggage? Our innovative 3-layer leak-proof design ensures your belongings stay dry and protected. The unique opal shape also helps you use every last drop without waste. Traveling by air is a breeze with these TSA-approved carry-on size bottles. They are perfectly sized for all your essential liquids like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Your safety is our priority. These bottles are crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, making them safe for toiletries and even food items like sauces or dressings. Say goodbye to the hassle of filling and cleaning. The wide opening makes it incredibly easy to pour in thicker liquids and clean the inside thoroughly. Control your dispensing with our smart no-drip valve. It prevents unwanted leaks and ensures you get just the right amount of product every time. These versatile bottles are designed for your convenience. They are the ideal solution for keeping your toiletries organized and accessible on any journey. What we like? This bottle features a unique opal shape and a no-drip valve for mess-free dispensing. Its BPA-free silicone construction ensures safety for all your liquids. If you hate wasting product and want a clean, safe option for your toiletries, you should consider this. What people say. The containers are leak-proof, which is great for travel. They are easy to fill and dispense the product smoothly. The set includes different sizes, perfect for various liquids. Number 4. Dot&Dot Leak-Proof Travel Bottles. Tired of messy leaks in your luggage? Our travel bottles are designed to keep your toiletries secure and your belongings clean. Enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Navigating airport security is a breeze with these TSA-approved containers. Their compact size makes them perfect for carry-on luggage, ensuring a hassle-free travel experience. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these bottles are built to last. They are durable, reusable, and gentle on your products, making them an eco-friendly choice for your travel needs. Say goodbye to spills and stains. The advanced leak-proof design ensures that your shampoo, conditioner, or lotion stay contained, no matter how bumpy the ride. Perfect for a variety of liquids, from shampoo and conditioner to lotions and creams. Each bottle comes with labels, so you can easily identify your contents and stay organized. These 3-ounce silicone bottles are the ideal companions for any trip. They offer the perfect balance of functionality and portability, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. What we like? These tubes come with labels, making organization a breeze for your travel essentials. They are TSA approved and designed for liquids. If you're someone who likes to keep their toiletries neatly organized and easily identifiable, especially for air travel, you should consider these. What people say. The containers are leak-proof, which is great for travel. They are easy to fill and dispense the product without any mess. The compact size makes them perfect for carrying in a toiletry bag. Number 3. Valourgo TSA-approved travel bottles, 4 PCS. Introducing the perfect travel companions for your toiletries. These TSA-approved bottles are designed for convenience and compliance. Never worry about messy leaks again. Our containers are completely leak-proof, ensuring your belongings stay clean and dry during your journey. Made from BPA-free materials, these tubes are safe for all your cosmetic, shampoo, and lotion needs. They are also easily refillable for repeated use. Each bottle is travel-sized, making them ideal for carry-on luggage. You can bring your favorite liquids without any hassle. This set includes 4 refillable tubes, perfect for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, soap, and other liquid essentials. Simplify your packing with this practical accessory. What we like? This set offers 4 BPA-free, leak-proof tubes perfect for your travel needs. They are designed to keep your luggage safe from spills. If you need a reliable, basic set of leak-proof containers for a short trip or for multiple types of liquids, you should consider this. What people say. The containers are leak-proof, which is great for travel. They are easy to fill and dispense the product smoothly. The set includes different sizes, perfect for various liquids. Number 2. DEPOZA 16-pack TSA Approved Travel Bottles Kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This comprehensive set is designed to make your travel experience smoother and more organized. This kit includes everything you need: bottles, jars, sprayers, and even a handy makeup bag. You can bring a variety of beauty products and cosmetics, perfectly tailored to your trip. Our bottles feature a superior leak-proof design, protecting your luggage and clothes from spills. The innovative shape ensures you use every last drop, so nothing goes to waste. Thanks to the wide mouth design, filling and cleaning these containers is a breeze. Even thicker liquids pour in easily, and cleaning brushes fit perfectly inside. The special no-drip valve on the cap ensures you dispense the perfect amount every time. Say goodbye to messy leaks and wasted product. All these travel essentials are packed in a compact bag, saving you space and making them easy to carry. They are perfect for any trip, from vacations to camping adventures. What we like? This comprehensive 16-pack kit includes various container types like bottles, jars, and sprayers, all in a convenient zipper bag. It's perfect for carrying a wide range of beauty products. If you need a complete solution for all your cosmetic and toiletry needs for a longer trip or a variety of uses, you should consider this. What people say. The containers are leak-proof and have a secure cap, preventing any spills during travel. The design allows for easy dispensing of shampoo and conditioner without any mess. They are made of durable, BPA-free silicone, ensuring long-term use and safety. Number 1. INSFIT Travel Bottles. Introducing the perfect travel companions for your toiletries. These bottles are designed for convenience and peace of mind on your journeys. Never worry about spills or airport security again. Our containers are TSA approved and feature a leak-proof design, keeping your belongings safe and dry. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, these tubes are gentle on your products and easy to squeeze. Refilling and using them is a breeze. Whether it's shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or body wash, these versatile bottles can hold it all. Keep your favorite products with you wherever you go. Stay organized with the included labels. Easily identify your contents and make your travel packing effortless and efficient. These 3-ounce containers are the ideal size for carry-on luggage. Enjoy your trip without any hassle, knowing you have everything you need. What we like? These TSA-approved, squeezable silicone tubes with labels are designed for easy use and organization. They are perfect for shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. If you prefer soft, easy-to-squeeze containers that are clearly labeled for quick identification during travel, you should consider these. What people say. The containers are leak-proof, which is great for travel. They are easy to fill and dispense the product smoothly. The set comes with a variety of sizes, perfect for different types of toiletries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.